What can I substitute for eggs in a pancake recipe? I'd like to make pancakes. I have all the other ingredients that I'd normally use: flour, canola oil, sugar, salt, and cornstarch, in a pancake mix, but I don't have any eggs. Can I substitute milk, or more of one of the other ingredients, in lieu of the eggs?
Ingredients: potato starch, tapioca flour, leavening, calcium lactate, non-dairy, calcium carbonate, citric acid, cellulose gum, carbohydrate gum. Energy egg replacer has always worked well for me. I keep it in the house for times when I don't have eggs on hand and want to bake something. There is also recipes like this one. See link. 1. For vegan pancakes, 1¼ cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1¼ cups water, 1 tablespoon oil. What you need to substitute is the binding ability of the eggs. There are a few ways to do this. There are a variety of seeds that produce mucilage when soaked in water. This sticky substance can work very well to bind baked goods together. To use, you soak the seeds or seed meal in water until the water becomes thick. If whole seeds are used, the water may be heated to speed up the process. Some of the most common seeds that have this characteristic are flax, chia, and buckwheat. An alternate method that will change the characteristic of your pancakes a bit is to incorporate something that contains pectin. This includes many fruits, canned pumpkin, mashed banana, applesauce, many jams and preserves, etc. The pectin will serve as your binder. Some eggless pancake recipes also call for small amounts of cornstarch, which has some mild binding abilities, or cider vinegar, which aids leavening and helps to tighten dough, but doesn't really bind on its own.